บัดสมกรจะเรียบสมองโปนเนี่ยศึกษาไปซองเลยต่างออกเนี่ยบัดทั้งนั้นชมบัดเรียนเมเรียนมุ้ยได้ในยี่อัมพี30 เคลียร์เฮียนชเนี่ยบันเตอร์เฮียน dare to win คือวัตถุนี้มันอยู่แต่บางโปนโซมาเมื่อเราจบนะ30 เคลียร์นั้นคือมีเคลียร์หล่อเลือกตัดจัดจานเป็นเต้นนะบางโปนให้จำกอดตามเกล่าให้บักเกิดทวัตถุนี้หล่อบางโปนช่วยแชร์วัตถุนี้มวยพองนะออกกุญแจบัดต่อแล้วยังมาเรียนเคลียร์ตีมุ้ยบัดถ้า I am a winner I am a winner นี่เคลียร์ปีมุนขยมบานยกตัวคลายนะ I am a winner ยังประธานขยมจีเนี่ยชเนี่ย I am a winner แบบมาวิธี I am born to win I am born to win ยังประธานขยมการมอกดำใบชเนี่ยแบบ I am born to win I เคลียร์ทำไมนี่คือ nobody is poor forever nobody แปลว่าไม่มีนามเนี่ย nobody is poor forever nobody is poor forever forever แปลว่าจะเรียงระหด nobody ไม่มีนามเนี่ย nobody is poor forever ยังแปลว่าไม่มีนามมันเนี่ยกรอมวยจีวเตเดี๋ยวไม่มีนาcáiกรอมาจีวเตอย่างนั้นผมเอาแต่ยังคอมปรังไปแหละกระดานจังกับเอาแต่เกิดไม้การมากรอไว้กรอเลยโอเคI have a strong willingness ยังแปลว่าชันเตะมองโอนนะ willingness แปลว่าชันเตะ strong นี่แปลว่าขลัง I have a strong willingness ยังแปลว่าขยมเมียนชันเตะขปุ่หรือก็ขยมเมียนชันเตะคลังนะ I have a strong willingness ขยมเมียนชันเตะขปุ่โอเคบ้างมาหมวยเตี้ยOkay, winning yourself และกระดาษมวยคือปรับทัดเต้าแต่ winning yourself กระทาการชนะเลือกลุ่นเอง winning yourself is the best victory มันไม่อ่านท่า victory แต่มันอ่านท่า victory is the best victory โอเคแต่คือเชื่อกำปูลเจจมเนี่ยคือเคลียร์ปีนี้เวีย connect โจขึ้นนี่นะบางคน winning yourself is the best victory การยกเลยชนะเลยคุณไอ้เนี่ย conquer yourself winning yourself is the best victory the best victory là chúc chơi đo cầm poolนะchúc chơi đo trả nên cái là winning yourself is the best victory ok ba mà clear ti purple don't limit yourself limit มองโอน limit ยังแปลថាកំណត់ដែលយើងប្រែថាកុំកំណត់សមត្ថភាពខ្លួនឯងអញ្ចឹង yourself កាលនេះបានដល់សំដៅដល់សមត្ថភាពយើងបងប្អូនយើងមានសក្តានុពលយើងមានសមត្ថភាពខ្ពស់ណាស់បងប្អូនដូច្នេះកុំឲ្យ limit កុំកំណត់ឧទាហរណ៍ថាខ្ញុំធ្វើបានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងខ្ញុំចេះតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទៅរួចតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទៅអត់ទេសមត្ថភាពយើងខ្ពស់ជាងនឹងទៀត so don't limit yourself កុំកំណត់សមត្ថភាពខ្លួនឯងណាបងប្អូន everyone has a strong power បងប្អូនEveryone has a strong power ប្រែថាអំណាចឬក៏ឥទ្ធិពលណាបងប្អូនគេថាគ្រប់គ្នាមានថាមពលខ្លាំងរៀងខ្លួនបងប្អូនបាទ Everyone has a strong power ប្រែថាថាមពលឬក៏ឥទ្ធិពលណាគេហៅថាថាមពល so everyone has a strong power ប្រែថាឥទ្ធិពលដូច្នេះគ្រប់គ្នាមានធម៌ពលខ្លាំងរៀងខ្លួន everyone គ្រប់គ្នាណាបងប្អូន everyone has a strong power okay ទី9 don't just only talk just only ថាគ្រាន់ត្រឹមតែណា don't just only talk ដែលយើងខ្មែរថាកុំបានតែនិយាយណាកុំចេះតែនិយាយ don't just only talk កុំបានតែនិយាយឬក៏កុំគ្រាន់តែនិយាយ don't just only talk take action now ពាក្យថា take action ប្រែថាបញ្ចេញសកម្មភាពបើតែពេលខ្លះយើងនិយាយតែពីគាត់តែពីនិយាយតែអត់មានចេញសកម្មភាពលទ្ធផលចុងមកគឺ0អញ្ចឹងណាបងប្អូនបាទអញ្ចឹង take action ប្រែថាចេញសកម្មភាព don't just only talk take action now អូខេកុំគ្រាន់តែនិយាយ take action now ធ្វើវាចេញសកម្មភាពcòn anh dây ban bao giờ vậy bên dây cái mơ nghĩ thế so take action ok bà đọc muối they don't trust your speech they don't trust they don't trust แปลថាគេ don't trust គេមិន trust មិនជឿទុកចិត្តលើ your speech speech យើងប្រែថាសំដីបើ speak ប្រែថានិយាយអានេះ speech ប្រែថាសំដីបាទគេមិនជឿលើសំដីអ្នកទេ they don't trust your speech okay they trust your action they trust your action ប្រែថាគេជឿលើសកម្មភាពរបស់អ្នក they trust your action okay គេជឿលើសកម្មភាពរបស់អ្នក they don't trust your speech they trust your action okay បាទ clear មួយទៀត the loser likes complaining the loser ពាក្យថា loser ប្រែថាជនបរាជ័យអ្នកចាញ់ likes complaining ប្រែថាចូលចិត្ត complaining ចូលចិត្តត្អូញត្អែណាត្អូញត្អែចូលចិត្តរអ៊ូរទាំគេថា complaining so ជនបរាជ័យចូលចិត្តត្អូញត្អែ the loser likes complaining okay the winner likes finding solution បាទ finding solution យើងប្រែថាsolution ប្រែថាដំណោះស្រាយ finding solution យើងប្រែថាស្វែងរកដំណោះស្រាយ so the winner likes finding solution ប្រែថាអ្នកជោគជ័យចូលចិត្តរកដំណោះស្រាយណាបងប្អូនរកដំណោះស្រាយ so the winner likes finding solution the loser likes complaining the winner likes finding solution okay បាទមក clear មួយទៀត you are what you think you are what you think យើងប្រែថាអ្នកគឺជាអ្វីដែលអ្នកគិតបានន័យថាមនុស្សយើងបើគិតបែបអវិជ្ជមានច្រើនពេកជីវិតស្មុគជីវិតយើងនឹងស្មុគបែបហ្នឹង so គេ say you are what you think តែបើយើងព្យាយាមគិតបែបសប្បាយបែបរកដំណោះស្រាយគិតបែបភ្លឺស្វាងជីវិតយើងក៏ទៅតាមនឹងដែរ so you are what you think គេចង់បានន័យថាគំនិតហ្នឹងវាសំខាន់មែនទែនតែអ្នកគឺជាអ្វីដែលអ្នកគិត be good to everyone be good to everyone គេចង់និយាយថាចូលធ្វើល្អដាក់មនុស្សគ្រប់គ្នាព្យាយាមធ្វើល្អដាក់មនុស្សគ្រប់គ្នាណាអំពើល្អ so be good to everyone okay បាទមក clear មួយទៀត keep up the good work keep up the good work យើងប្រែថាបន្តការងារល្អរបស់អ្នកទៀតណា keep up the good work ឬក៏ keep up your good work តែក៏ប៉ុន្តែ clear ថា keep up the good work is enough ប្រែថាបន្តការងារល្អរបស់អ្នកទៀតណា keep up the good work okay don't give up keep up the good work បាទមួយទៀតគេថា keep fighting យើងប្រែថាស៊ូបន្តទៀត keep fighting okay ស៊ូបន្តទៀត dare to dream អានេះយើងអានថា dare to dream dream យើងប្រែស្រមៃណាហ៊ានស្រមៃ dare to dream បង្កើតក្តីសម័យណាមួយដែលអាចមកសំរុំណាគេ dare to dream okay ទី20 dare to do ហ៊ានធ្វើ dare to do ប្រែថាហ៊ានធ្វើ dare to dream dare to do ហ៊ានសម័យហ៊ានធ្វើណាបងប្អូនកុំឲ្យសម័យចោលអត់ធ្វើណាអានេះគេថា dare to dream dare to do okay បាទមកមួយទៀត sharpen your ability ពាក្យថា sharpen ប្រែថាសំលៀងបើកបិតគេសំលៀងបើសិនបីជំនាញវិញគេថាសម្រួចគេថាវឹកហាត់ឲ្យវាជំនាញបងប្អូន so សំលៀងសមត្ថភាពរបស់អ្នកណា sharpen your ability សំលៀងសមត្ថភាពរបស់អ្នក by practicing ប្រែថាដោយ practicing ដោយការអនុវត្តជានិច្ចណា sharpen your ability by practicing ប្រែថាសំលៀងសមត្ថភាពរបស់អ្នកដោយអនុវត្តជានិច្ច by practicing ដោយការអនុវត្ត okay so sharpen your ability by practicing okay patient is the best ពាក្យថា patience យើងប្រែថាអំណត់ការអត់ធន់ is the best ដែលល្អបំផុតតែខ្ញុំកាច់ន័យថា អំណត់ជាអំណាចណា patient is the best អំណត់ជាអំណាចគឺការអំណត់ឧទាហរណ៍ថាយើងអត់ធន់នៅក្នុងការរៀនវាពិបាកយើងអត់ធន់ទៅអត់ធន់បានច្រើនណាបងប្អូនអត់ធន់នឹងពាក្យសម្ដី my life is full of hope my life is full of hope នេះយើងធ្លាប់រៀនឯ clear នេះប្រែថាជីវិតខ្ញុំពេញទៅដោយក្តីសង្ឃឹមណា my life is full of hope អូខេបាទមួយទៀត chin up យើងប្រើ clear ពាក្យថា chin ចកាហ្នឹង chin up ហ្នឹងគឺជា clear phrase មួយដែលគេនិយាយលើកទឹកចិត្តណាថាងើបមុខឡើងលក្ខណៈកុំឲ្យអន់ចិត្តឈ្ងោកមុខអញ្ចឹងតែនៅពេលដែលយើងនិយាយពាក្យនេះផ្ដល់កម្លាំងចិត្តឲ្យគេយើងហៅថា chin up ងើបមុខឡើងបានន័យថាកុំអស់សង្ឃឹម chin up អូខេ chin up យើងប្រើពាក្យនេះគឺនិយាយឲ្យគេកុំឲ្យបាក់ទឹកចិត្តណា the world is bright យើងប្រើថាពិភពលោកនេះភ្លឺស្វាងណាស់ណា the world is bright ពិភពលោកនេះភ្លឺស្វាងណាស់អូខេមកមួយទៀត hello beautiful world យើងនិយាយបែបធ្វើអារម្មណ៍សរសើរណា hello beautiful world យើងប្រើថាសួស្តីពិភពលោកដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាត hello beautiful world ទី28 I am so happy អូខេហើយយើងប្រើថាខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ I am so happy អូខេមកមួយទៀត I am on my own គឺជា phrase មួយដែលយើងនិយាយថាខ្ញុំត្រូវតែរស់ពឹងលើខ្លួនឯងស្មើពាក្យថា I have to live depending on myself so I am on my own គឺខ្ញុំទទួលខុសត្រូវលើខ្លួនឯងពឹងពាក់លើខ្លួនឯងពឹងអាស្រ័យលើខ្លួនឯងគេថា I am on my own you are on your own ហើយគេណាឯងត្រូវតែពឹងផ្អែកលើខ្លួនឯងទទួលខុសត្រូវទំនុកបំរុងខ្លួនឯង you are on your own I am on my own អូខេបាទមួយទៀត clear ទី30 I am not weak ខ្ញុំមិនទន់ជ្រាយទេណាបាទខ្ញុំមិនមែនទន់ជ្រាយទេ I am not weak អូខេបាទ31 I always step forward ពេលតែ step forward ប្រែថាបោះជំហានទៅមុខថា step forward ជាកិរិយាសព្ទណា step forward ប្រែថាបោះជំហានទៅមុខជានិច្ច I always step forward អូខេខ្ញុំតែងតែបោះជំហានទៅមុខជានិច្ចឈានទៅមុខជានិច្ចអូខេ No one is too poor to win nobody is too poor to win ប្រែថាគ្មាននរណាម្នាក់ too poor to win ប្រែថាក្រពេកមិនអាចឈ្នះគេបានទេ No nobody is too poor to win ខ្ញុំប្រែថាគ្មាននរណាម្នាក់ក្រពេកមិនអាចឈ្នះនោះបានទេណាគ្មាននរណាម្នាក់ក្រពេកមិនអាចឈ្នះបាននោះទេអាច nobody is too poor to win you can win okay បាទ 33 don't be so stressful យើងហៅថា stressful ពេលតែ stressful ដែលស្មុគស្មាញបងប្អូនកុំស្មុគស្មាញពេក don't be so stressful កុំស្មុគស្មាញពេកអូខេ 34 learn to smile and laugh យើងប្រែថារៀនចូលរៀនញញឹមនិងសើច learn to smile and laugh អូខេបាទមក clear ចុងក្រោយនៃវីដេអូនេះគឺ the winner never quits the quitter never wins យើងប្រែថាអ្នកឈ្នះមិនដែលបោះបង់អ្នកបោះបង់មិនដែលឈ្នះ the winner never wins the winner never quits the quitter never wins okay so that's all for today and thank you so much for watching and I am sure if you keep practicing keep trying every day your English will be better and better and you will learn more vocabulary so please subscribe my channel Dek Rean and share this video to the other student as well if you think this is a good video and leave a comment គេបងប្អូនបើសិនមើលវីដេអូនេះចប់ហើយជួយ comment ប្រាប់ខ្ញុំថាលោកគ្រូខ្ញុំមើលចប់ហើយ yes you can do it okay បាទហើយមានបងប្អូនច្រើនដែលគាត់មើលវីដេអូមេរៀនរបស់ខ្ញុំតាមលំដាប់ជា clear រៀនអានសរសេរបានច្រើនណាស់ខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តមែនទែនណាបងប្អូនអរគុណច្រើនណាស់សម្រាប់ការគ្រប់គ្រងជាពិសេសបងប្អូនជួយ share វីដេអូនេះណាបងប្អូនណាអរគុណច្រើនមែនទែនបាទ thank you so much bye bye